All right, we're walking up to the spot right now. It's super windy, about 20-mile-an-hour winds. I'm gonna talk extra loud just in case this wind is picking up. As you guys can see how windy it is outside. It's about 90, low 90s, low 90 degrees, 20-mile-an-hour north wind. There's a point there, and then there's brush all along this bank right here, which I'm gonna target. And then there's a point down there that I do want to target that has rock about 15 feet deep. So that's gonna be the plan for today. Stay tuned, smash the like button, don't miss it. Just had a bite right there. All right, just tied on the Texas rig. Got a D-bomb, straight shank hook. There it is right there, baby. Let's see if we can get one. No luck with the chatterbait. Oh, no luck with the chatterbait so far. Got him. Oh no! I'm struggling to find a bite. There's a bite. Got him. We got him. Good one. Got him. We got him. Good one. We got a good one. We got a good one. We got a good one, baby. No, 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 no. Yes! Yes! Woo! Hell yeah! Yes, baby, on the D-bomb. We were struggling. Golly. Hell yeah. Whoa, quick release. There he goes. At least we got our picture. Got him showed off to the camera. Woo! Hell yeah. I guess I gotta slow down a little bit. I didn't even feel that bite because it's so windy. So I just freaking caught that fish on Time Warp, and I'm freaking pissed off, man. I don't know when I did that. That's bull crap, man. Oh well, it'll still be on the video. There's another 3-pounder. bite. Oh man. Ah, had him. There's a bite. Got him. Little one. Little fella on the underspin. Weedless underspin, owner Flashy Swimmer, 3.8 Keitech, bluegill flash. Ow! Little dude. Better get her. See if there's more fish over there. Oh, no, 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 no. That was a big one. That was a big one. Oh, no, 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 no. I had him. Got him. Oh, yeah. I thought he came off. Thought he came off. But we got him on the swim jig. Little bait change, and we got him. Little fella. Barely hooked him. Almost tore his lip off. Boom. 6-cent swim jig. It's my own skirt. Saucy Swimmer. Let's try to get another one. There's a bite. Got him. Oh, he came off. Got him. That's a good one. Oh, what? 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 No. No. What the flip? Got him. We got him. Way on him. We got him. There he is. Another decent one. Another decent one. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Boom, son. Hook just fell right out. Another 2-pounder. Hell yeah, what a good day. Boom, look at that. What a good day. Hell yeah. Let's let him go. All right, baby. Later, baby boy. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be a wrap for tonight's video. Out on the river again off the float tube. It was kind of tough today, but we got some quality bites for sure. Some came on the Texas rig, and then I think a couple or 3 came on the Texas rig, and the others came on the swim jig. I missed a ton of bites on the swim jig. I just couldn't keep them pinned for some reason. I'm not sure what it was, but yeah, man, it was tough, but honestly I just kept grinding, and we kept getting bit throughout the evening. So I just kept grinding, and sometimes that's what fishing is just grind, and then you get a handful of the right bites, and it turns out to be a super good day overall when you start reflecting on it. When it seemed like a super long day, you just think back and, oh, I got bit here, over this whole period of time. I mean, I think I had like 5 fish, but yeah, man, thanks for coming along, guys. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn that bell notification on. That way, whenever I do premiere a video, you guys know when that happens, and then you guys can interact with me, and I can see what's going on with you guys, and it's just a good way to chop it up. So thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Casual Bass Guy signing out. Peace. Oh my God, it's the biggest fish. Oh my God. Woo! Yeah! Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah, I'm shaking. All right, get it together. Oh, get it together.